Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Hyundai i30 Active Hatch, stock reference number 5112. This shape runs from the third month 2012 through to the second month 2017. It has a G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front wheel drive transmission. G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, camera sight, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door has 1 small dent, right front door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, right guard seems to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.